Hi everybody. Hey, just a quick update real quick. A while back I got this Craftsman Chopsaw, miter saw, and I mean it's like I don't know, it's better than Ryobi. Not that Ryobi's bad or anything like that. It's just I got the Craftsman, and it's not the Milwaukee, that's for sure, with a double compound miter. But I got it for just siding, and since then I've used it for more than just siding. I have used it on framing and such, and I can tell you it's held up pretty decent. The one thing I kind of got used to is when I first got it, the way the guard catches here, it was kind of a nuisance. So I ended up putting like a little clamp on the backside here to help it out. Actually, what happened is it kind of held it upright a little bit, and as it came up, it didn't hit as hard. Well, anyway, long story short, I got rid of that, and I've kind of gotten used to it. For the most part, I'm still pretty happy with this. I mean, they're not giving them away, but they're fairly inexpensive. And if you're looking for something just quick to throw up on the staging, like I've got it here, and you want to use it for siding or some cuts on, you know, a piece of 1x4, 1x6, even 2x stock for that matter, it'll do the job. You know, I do recommend getting additional batteries for it, though. We all know what batteries are like. All right, bye now. Have a good day.